Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to change seats on Fandango. If you want to change the seats on Fandango but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing what you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Fandango app on a device. So if you have not installed the Fandango app, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Fandango app, and as you can see, this is the home page of Fandango, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as various things on the home screen. Now to change the seats, you just need to click on the option of profile icon, which is at the very top left. So click on it. So this is the profile section where you'll see the option of message, my orders, push notifications and all of it. Now to change the seats on Fandango, you just need to click on the option of orders, and under orders you'll see the option of upcoming or history. So in the upcoming orders, you just need to select the tickets which you want to change, and if you are eligible for exchanging the seat, then you'll be able to see the option of pick new seats, or you'll be able to see the option of change new seats. So you just need to select the preferred seats, and you need to apply a Fandango credit at the checkout, or you may also need to pay a certain amount of price during the checkout, and you'll be able to change the seats. But it does not apply to all of the theaters. So if the theater has also policy of exchanging the tickets, then you will be able to exchange it. But if the theater has no policy, then you won't be able to change the tickets on the Fandango app. So that's it. That's how you can change the tickets on Fandango. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.